Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be looking into volume 2. Yesterday we looked a bit into volume 1 and what it entails. In today's video, we will look into learning multiple streams of income. This is included in volume 2 of this academy. In volume 1 we have digital marketing, mastering digital marketing, and how you can use digital marketing, understanding digital marketing for beginners. In volume 2 we have learning multiple streams of income and how you can learn multiple streams of income, to how you can make use of and learn multiple streams of income to generate sources of wealth for yourselves. In volume 2, we will look into TikTok shop. So TikTok shop is one that most people do have now. It's so on this particular video today, we will look into TikTok shop, Pinterest, and Etsy. So to start with TikTok shop, it will show you more information on how to set it up, introduction to TikTok shop, and how it works, what it is, the types of content to do on TikTok shop, and it will also will be teaching on how you can drive sales. You will learn about SEO optimization, product strategy, and yeah, there's quite a lot of things that you'll be able to learn under the TikTok shop. Content strategy, how you can ensure not to have violations under TikTok shop to ensure that your account is in excellent mode. We will look into Pinterest. Pinterest is an app that is I wouldn't say commonly used, but it is actually an app that can be used to generate sources of income for yourselves. We will look into why we should use Pinterest to generate income, ways to do SEO, Pinterest trends, optimizing your Pinterest profile, how you can set up Pinterest boards, hashtag on Pinterest, and claiming your domain website, what to pin, how you can make use of Pinterest and Canva, how to publish a pin on Pinterest, Pinterest tools and resources, and how you can use ebook on Pinterest. We will also look into Etsy, print on demand, how you can make use of print on demand and set up your store on Etsy. So all these things I'm mentioning is under volume 2 of this academy. We will look into how to become a virtual assistant, becoming a virtual assistant, and starting a virtual assistant business from home. This is something that is a very good way to generate source of income. We will look into Printful as a drop shipping model of business, how you can customize your product and add it to your store, how you can create design in Canva and upload it on Printful for drop shipping business. Printify is also similar to Printful and how you can use it for drop shipping. We will look into Shopify, which is an e-commerce platform, how you can use Shopify to sell your products. We will look into designing Shopify, how you can design your Shopify store and launch your page. We will look into LinkedIn training, becoming a travel agent. As you can see, there's quite a lot of things on the volume 2. Faceless marketing. If you don't necessarily want to show your face while marketing your product, We will look into this and how you can as well generate income for yourselves without having to show your face. Now this is for men in marketing. If you are a man and you are looking to market, there are a lot of ways that you can avail of this. Wholesaling in real estate, Turo business, Amazon KDP, master manifesting, life insurance, homeschooling and daycare business. As you can see, there's quite a lot of things that you can do, information that you can avail of under the volume 2. How you can start your own virtual call center business. This is a lot of information that you can get. And we have eBay dropshipping, we have AI and automations. All these things I've mentioned is under the volume 2 of the product I'll be showing you. In order to do this, in order to avail of all this information in volume 1 and volume 2, all you have to do is to click on the link on my YouTube bio, the first link that says Digital City on my YouTube bio. That's what you have to click on, and you'll be able to get this information. It will take you through steps in order to avail of this information. Do not hesitate to click on the link to be able to get this information and choose your own way of generating sources of income for yourself. Thank you very much for today's video, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye bye.